Well, looking from this direction, you would never know where I'm at. But if you turn around, voila! Here we are in Prague. One of the many hills here in Prague. So Constantine here took us to this place. We walked through the fields for about 15 minutes, and then we come out and we see a beautiful location. Breathtaking, beautiful weather, maybe 22, 23 degrees out, maybe a little bit warmer, but a nice breeze. Really beautiful. You can see lots of interesting things from this hill. Bridge right there. Of course, there's lots and lots of bridges here in Prague. I think they said 12, but there could be some more now. I assume that this is a new one that wasn't counted in the 12. That cool V-shaped building over there. And of course, the tower. And I'm really right on the edge. It's quite steep from here. It's hard to tell from this angle, but yeah, if you look from here, you see how steep it is. And it's just a farmer's field behind. People get to walk around here, bring your dogs out, kids, let them play around. There's a tower over there, looks like a TV, well, that could be a TV tower, I suppose. A signal for cell phones, etc. There's a big neighborhood over there. So just behind their home, they can bring out their children and animals to play around. People are biking. Like I said before, this is Prague, kind of built in kind of a river valley. No wonder it was so strategic for the medieval times and for all time. Probably the last 1,000 years, one of the most strategic locations in Europe. Just incredible. Beautiful, beautiful view from here.